A routing number is a crucial 9-digit code that identifies Chase Bank in financial transactions. Understanding your routing number is essential for managing your banking needs effectively. A routing number is a 9-digit identification code that tells other financial institutions which bank they're dealing with when processing your transactions. You can see your routing number at the bottom of your checks. It's the first set of 9 digits, clearly marked for easy identification. Chase uses different routing numbers depending on the state where you opened your account. This is because Chase acquired different regional banks over the years. Your routing number is essential for several types of transactions, including direct deposits from your employer, automatic bill payments, and wire transfers. Here's how direct deposit works using your routing number. Your employer uses this code to send your paycheck directly to your Chase account safely and efficiently. Using the correct routing number is crucial for successful transactions. An incorrect routing number can cause delays, failed payments, or even send money to the wrong bank entirely. The easiest way to find your Chase routing number is through the Chase mobile app. Simply log into your account using your credentials or biometric authentication. You can also access your routing number through Chase online banking. Visit chase.com, log into your account, and navigate to your account summary to view the account details section. If you have a physical check, the routing number is easy to find. It's the first 9 digits located on the bottom left of your check before your account number. If you need additional help, you can call Chase customer service at 1-800-935-9935 or visit any local Chase branch for in-person assistance.